Hello and welcome to another episode of Aaj Ka AQI. Today we are standing on one of Saket's busiest and most congested streets with traffic, crowds and street vendors lining the road. Behind me are vendors selling street food, sweets, chai, etc. and autowalas waiting for passengers. Standing here for hours, breathing this air continuously. No masks, no protection, no choice. For many of them, taking a break from pollution simply isn't an option. According to our on ground monitor, the AQI here is 364, PM 2.5 stands at 204, and PM 10 at 215. Levels officially classified as very poor. But for the people working on these streets, this isn't just a number on an app. This is the air they inhale all day long, all the while trying to make a living. And here's the larger context that often gets ignored. A recent report by Dialogue Earth highlights how the conversations around Delhi's air pollution routinely overlook its impact on working class communities, while a small privileged section of the city shuts down its windows and switches on air purifiers. A vast majority of population which is working on the streets, like the vendors, delivery workers, construction workers, sanitation workers, and daily wage earners, simply cannot afford that protection. Clean air has become a luxury. And according to a study by Greenpeace India, over 80% of Delhi's workforce is deployed in the informal sector, and most of them work outdoors, much like the street vendors behind us. For such workers, there's no escape indoors. The city runs on their labor, but their lungs bear the cost. So while AQI numbers are debated, restrictions are eased, and claims of improvement are made, one hard question still remains. In a city where those responsible for keeping the streets alive are forced to breathe toxic air all day long, who is Delhi's air pollution policy designed to protect? This is Aaj Ka AQI. We at News Laundry have been running a campaign on air pollution all year long because we believe pollution is not a seasonal problem. You can join our efforts by reading, sharing, and watching our reports on pollution and powering our campaign. Pay to keep the news free.